How to use the Govee LED lights app. So after you install the app, it's called Govee. Now open it. So after you open it, if you look down, you see these icons. This is the globe icon. As you can see here, you can switch devices here. So this is the bunch of features. So we cannot go in on that. This is the profile icon. If you click on it, you see here all of the options that you have. Now we go back to the home, and if you see here, there is three tabs: home and device and automation, and this is advanced. So now we will work, or we will explain the device. So you may see here a bunch of devices, but if you don't link any device to the app, it will show you this first. Now if you want to link a new app, just click on this plus icon. Click on it. Now this is it will show you this bunch of different devices. So here you can select the categories. So if you want indoor lighting, as you can see here, outdoor lighting, other lights, home improvements, and this is a bunch of devices, as you can see here: remote, switches, smart plug, Wi-Fi plug, and this is home appliance, like televisions, as you can see here, speakers. There is a bunch of devices here you can link to. So how to link a device? So for example, I want this device to link it. Just click on it and it shows you this message. Click on agree, and after a while you can wait, and after it shows you it loaded 100%. So as you can see here, it's installed successfully. But there is other devices that they need to turn on the Bluetooth. You need to turn it on, like this lights. If I click on it, now as you can see, now it search for device. So for example, I will turn the Bluetooth off. Now as you can see here, they show you this: you need to turn on the Bluetooth. So after I turn it on, so automatically now it shows you that he is searching for the device. So after you link the devices that you want, it will show you here all of the devices that you have, and you can link to the app. So this is how to use the Govee app. Thank you for watching.